Hi guys, welcome to my channel Psychic Sun Tarot. My name is Jyoti. I'll be doing your reading. This is for Capricorn and this is going to be your love reading. So we will see what are your partner's current feeling and how are you feeling towards them, the mutual energies, and then we will do a small reading for singles also at the end. Okay, so let's see what do we have in store for Capricorn. Guys, please keep in mind that this is a general reading. It will resonate to most of you but not all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. All right, so let's see what do we have in store for my Capricorn. So let's see what are your person's current feeling towards my Capricorn. Let's see what are their current feelings towards my Capricorn. Okay, we have the Nine of Wands and this just popped out. All right, let's see. Okay, one more card has just come, two more cards rather. Okay, what is this? Nine of Wands, Five of Cups. We have the Lovers. All right, so Aries, Leo, Saggy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini. Guys, I feel that this person, okay, this again, this has come out, that is Justice. I don't know guys, I feel that this person you are dealing with, okay, with the Nine of Wands, I feel this person is very hesitant to come and approach you, or there is something that they are trying to hide. They are trying to hide their emotions. They are hurt, okay. I think this person may have done something wrong in the past with you guys. They regret doing wrong to you in the past, okay. This person feels that maybe some of you, this person didn't treat you well in the past, or they ignored you, or they were involved with some other person while being with you. I don't know, it could be anything, but there is something that this person has done and they regret. They feel that there is so much little left in your heart for them. They feel, you know, there is a sense of loss in their heart. We have the Five of Cups here with the Lovers. This person feels that, you know, that they miss how you used to run after them. They miss how you used to pamper them. They miss how you used to talk to them, call them 10 times a day, message them, you know, something like this. And I think, I don't know, I strongly feel that you guys have stopped doing it now. Okay, you are not investing enough as of now. It's like you may have withdrawn yourself from this relationship. So this person feels, you know, they have this sense of loss in their heart, and I think this person wants to make it right. This is their feelings. This person wants to be fair towards you. They have this guilt and they want to make things right with you. Okay, that is what I see right now. Okay, I've got two more cards. That is, wow, Empress and the Two of Cups. Guys, look at this. This person, they love you so much. We have the Empress with the Two of Cups. Just look at this. This person views you as their twin flame, soulmate, whatever it is. They cannot live without you. This person thinks about you 24 hours. Maybe you are haunting them. They are having sleepless nights over you. They think a lot, okay. I do see, but in spite of all these things happening to them, they are not showing their feelings, okay. Maybe you may feel that this person is not talking to you, or they are still the same, you know, they are not taking the initiative to call or message, or that's because this person is hiding the emotions, okay. They have this deep love in their heart for you, a sense of loss. They regret doing wrong to you, treating you wrong. Could be different for different people. General reading, many people are involved here. So whatever it is, but I do see that this person loves you so much, okay. They cannot do without you guys, okay. They really cannot. They view you as, look at this, they want to marry you, or even if you, maybe you're married to each other already, I don't know, they want to come back to you. They want union with you. If you're not talking to each other, they want to reconnect with you. So this person, I don't know, this is their emotion. We have the Lovers and the Two of Cups in the same reading with the Empress. What else can I say here? This is too much. Okay, this person genuinely regrets, guys. Okay, so if you're dealing with somebody, I don't know, I don't have a right, but if you can forgive this person, I know sometimes, maybe you have let's see what are your current, but this person genuinely regrets. Okay, they really love you, guys. Whatever it is, this person really loves you, whoever you are dealing with right now. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is you. We have the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, let's see your emotions. Oh my God, look at this. I feel that you are still invested in this person. You have not yet moved away from them. You really love them still. You are going through the same. You are having sleepless nights. You are worrying a lot, thinking about them. Maybe you wait for their message, you wait for their text, and you keep thinking about them. You may not show it. I feel that you both are on the same boat. It's like you both have this. Let me see what are your current feelings. Okay, let me clarify more. Five of Pentacles. Let's see if this comes again. Let's see what are your current feelings towards this person. Let's see what are your current feelings towards this person. Oh my God, so many. Okay, yeah, we have got the Knight of Cups. Okay, I'll keep it here. We have got the Queen of Cups, Page of Cups. You guys, you're madly in love with this person. Okay, I know maybe you're hiding your feelings, but I think you still want this person. And some of you, maybe you are expecting an apology from this person. You want them to apologize. You want them to offer you this cup. Okay, we have the Knight of Cups here. So you really you want this person to come back to you and offer you this cup. Okay, you're waiting. You're highly emotional about this person. I don't think you are going to leave this person, or I don't think, because I feel that you cannot live without this person. You're so much emotionally, mentally, physically, emotionally, financially, you are stuck with them. Okay, that is the energy that I get here. You love this person a lot. Okay, you fear losing this person. Some of you, maybe you have a child with this person. Okay, you could have a child with this person. Yeah, you fear losing this person. Okay, you just cannot do without them. That's the energy. So let's see what will be their next action towards you. Let's see what will be their next action towards you. This is for my Capricorn. What will be their next action towards my Capricorn? Okay, Ten of Swords. Let me clarify this. What is this Ten of Swords for? Let me clarify the Ten of Swords, please. Okay, what is this? All right, Three of Pentacles. Okay, guys, for some of you, I feel that this person is going to, I think, now this is for some of you, I do feel that maybe this person, either they were listening to somebody in their family. Okay, could be their mother, parents, sister, or this could be a third party also they were involved with. I think this person is going to end that. Okay, this person is going to end that, and they have decided they are going to be fair. They are going to come and offer you this. That is what they have decided. All right, they cannot do without you. This person is going to end some relationship. For some of you, for the others of you, this could be that this person was so focused on work that they neglected you in the past, and now they have made the decision to come back to you, focus on you, their family. Maybe this person has a child with you. So whatever it is, but they are going to come back to you and talk to you. Okay, they want to work it out, they will do anything for this to work. Okay, that's the energy. In some cases I feel that this person is going through some spiritual awakening. Okay, it's like this person, universe is, they are changing, the emotions are changing, they are having some realizations, or could be an awakening. Okay, it's like, sometimes you have to go through some pain in order to learn the lesson in life, or in order to learn the value of a person. I think this person, your partner, is going through that awakening. Okay, this person has had or is going through some awakening right now in their life, and they are maybe going through some pain for sure. Okay, they are hurt either financially or because of a third party, or whatever, family, whatever, health issues, could be health issues for some. But this person is learning a lesson the hard way. Okay, so that is something because of which they have realized your value. Because of whatever they have been going through, they have realized your value, and now their next action is they are going to come back to you, they are going to talk to you, they are going to offer this cup to you. They just, you have, I think you are also waiting for them. You know that this person is not going anywhere. I don't know, I strongly feel that you intuitively know that this person is coming back to you. Okay, you know that this person cannot live without you. That is what I see here. Okay, now let's see if we have any message from this, any message for your person, for you. Okay, too many cards. Transformation. Didn't I just say your person is going through transformation? Okay, victory and success. Look at this, guys. I just told you that your person is going through some spiritual awakening. They have had some realizations, or some of them are still in this process where they are going through that. Okay, and it's like, in a fraction of second they will realize, oh shit, how important this person is to me. Until now maybe they took you for granted, they didn't pay attention to you, whatever it is, but now this person is going to realize your value. I do see victory. Okay, in this relationship, you guys are going to come together. This person wants you, they cannot do without you, that is for sure. It's like whatever it is, your thoughts haunt them. So power, look at this. Okay, let me keep it here. Authority, spiritual union, and base chakra. I think, guys, you guys are going to come back in your power with the Empress here. It's like this person may have ignored you, as I told you before, but they are going to come back to you and they are going to make you feel like a princess. Okay, they are going to treat you like a prince or princess. Gender doesn't really matter, take as it resonates, but they are going to treat you like princess. It's like you feel as if you were left all alone, you had nobody with you when you really needed somebody, but now you're going to come back in power with this card. Okay, this card is trying to tell you that you are going to have this feeling where see, my person has come back to me, they are not going to go anywhere again. So you are going to be that confident about this person very soon. Okay, this person. Now authority, we have the Emperor and Empress in the same reading, so you guys are certainly a power couple, twin flames, soulmates. Look at this, spiritual union. You both are connected spiritually. Okay, you both are guided together spiritually. So there is no way, this is not a joke, guys. Look at this, we have the Two of Cups, lovers, Empress, Emperor, spiritual, all in this reading, and with the victory and success. Okay, with the victory and success. Throat chakra, communication is required. Expect a communication. Okay, this person, the problem, as a challenge, I feel that this person is not talking to you right now, or they are hesitant, they are hiding their emotions. Okay, they are in that zone where they are gaining the confidence to come back, talk to you, to make things right. Or for some of you, I feel this person could be already trying, but I do see this person talking to you. They are going to sit and talk to you, communicate. They will be like, what do you want? Let's work it out. All of a sudden you will feel that this person is talking to you, messaging you, texting you, or they'll start investing time. Okay, that is what I see. So definitely just be happy. This person, I don't know, for whoever is this, please let me know. Okay, if it resonates, do let me know in the comment section. This person cannot do without you. They love you a lot. Okay, so that is it, guys. I really hope, yeah, so that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this reading. So if you did, I would request you to please leave a comment, like, and let me know. Okay, so I'll proceed further for singles. Okay, let me do a reading for singles also. So thank you so much, guys. Let me see, what do we have for singles? Okay, we'll see if we get the Queen of Wands and Seven of Pentacles again. So what do we have for my singles? Capricorn who are single. So let's see, please give me a message for my singles. Okay, wow, Two of Wands, we have the Five of Wands, Eight of Wands, King of Pentacles. All right, so what do I see here? Just a sec, guys. Okay, singles, I feel that you are very content with wherever you are. Okay, you're not rushing into a marriage or a relationship. You are okay. You are not going to jump into a relationship just for the heck of it. And so you're taking your own sweet time. You're happy, you're comfortable. Okay, you're very much comfortable. I do see that there are many people, we have the Five of Wands here, who are trying hard to get your attention, especially if you are a feminine energy. I do see that you may have options. Okay, you could be there are some people who are trying to send you messages, calls, or they want to meet you, they want to take you out on dates. And I do see competition, and you are in that zone where you are thinking, what do I do, who is right for me? You are in that zone where you are trying to understand a person, know a person. Maybe you are just going out with them for dinners, dates, lunches, whatever it is. Okay, or you are just knowing them, in short. Okay, but I think you are somebody who is not going to rush into a relationship so early. All right, you're very much comfortable with wherever you are. Some of you, you are in this mindset where you are like, I'm not going to go and run after anybody. The right person has to come and knock the door. Okay, I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to chase anyone. I'm comfortable where I am. That kind of mindset. All right, and I do see that you are going to hear from somebody. It's like, somebody will try to, let me clarify, what else do we, okay, oh my god, look at this. So we have the Ace of Wands here with the Knight of Cups. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Singles, I certainly feel that there's somebody. I told you, you have more than two options. Okay, maybe 3, 4, 5 for some of you. So there are people who are trying hard to get your attention. There are people who are trying to talk to you, please you, know you, whatever it is. But you are having options, and there is somebody who may have already proposed you, but you are not in a hush. You don't want to jump into anything. All right, so I strongly feel, guys, that someone in your life who is already there, they are waiting for a yes from you, but you are like not in that hush. You don't want to hush into anything. you want to take your own sweet time. You are like, you know, I will see when I have to, I'm not in a hurry, that kinds. Okay, and plus I also see we have the Ace of Pentacles with the Ace of Wands. We have the, I think there's some strong commitment that's going to come your way again. Okay, so I do see you may have two strong proposals. Either one is already present for some of you, and for the others of you, I think this proposal is going to come very soon. Okay, so there is someone who is around the corner or is going to enter your life very soon. Okay, so let's see what is the advice for my singles. Let's see the advice for my singles. What's the advice for my singles? Any advice? Okay. Sacral chakra, temptations and disruption. I feel that we have the sacral chakra, temptations and disruption. Okay, this is trying to tell me that you are tempted to talk to someone, to date somebody. Some of you, maybe you are having this strong physical attraction towards somebody in your life. Maybe you're not dating each other, but you have this, okay, you have this temptations to get close to someone or to know somebody, but you're trying to control yourself. Okay, that kind of energy I see. And also feel, guys, some of you, you know, you are closed off. It's like, you know, you have put yourself in a shell. You know, look at this person, he's not willing to open up to anything or anybody. That kind of energy. You have put yourself in a shell and you don't want to open up to people around. You don't want to talk to anybody. You're blocking people or you are ignoring them. Okay, however you are tempted. Okay, you're tempted to get into a relationship, but you're holding on. You're holding on. That's the energy that I see. So the advice that I get for you is, don't resist. Okay, go with the flow. Know people. Okay, don't be in this energy of Three of Wands where you are like, you know, I don't want to know anybody. I don't want to see anybody. At least there's no harm in talking to people. There's no harm in going out, meeting, going out for dinners, going out for lunches. Okay, it's not that, you know, sometimes you have to meet 10 wrong people before you meet the right one. So don't be closed off. Don't be closed off and don't be in that negative zone. You have to break those negative patterns in your life. Move towards a better future. You have a bright future. Look at all these things that have come for you. So you certainly are going to be in a relationship very soon. This could be within a year. For most of you, this is 6 months to 1 year. You are going to be in a relationship. So that is it. I really hope this helps, guys. Alright. So if you like my readings, please like, share, subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section how did it resonate. And that is it. You guys take care. Bye.